Next step is a small hole. There. And put those in the right place. Next step. We got mulch. Oh man, don't forget you got everything. That's one thing that you should never do. There were only 2 moles to go into here. Next up, if you don't have any side moles, move on to the next one, which are cockroaches. Okay, don't make a mess. That's the one thing you don't want to do. Next up, make sure all pasta have to go on the bottom. Way. This is one of the hardest tasks if you don't have a hot, just a hot lid. Oh yeah, don't. Let me take the other one too. Do it to our that way you have same liquid. This is one. Whoa. Next up, want to get the spoons out. Now, make sure you get every one of these. Oh yeah, what I have in my hand, we'll talk about it later. This, I'm going to these covers. Now for this, let's grab that lid. Now for the plate, let's say